Now you have understood what is a polynomial, right? How to identify a polynomial. Let us know a little more about the polynomial. Okay, let us write the general form of the polynomial. General form means all will be in the letters. So let us write the general form of the polynomial. Okay, so what is the general form of the polynomial? So first x to the x term should be there, x power. So in every term there is x, let us say x. Okay, so I'll bring these things a little. Okay, and so here the highest power should be in the beginning. Let us say n is the power. So then what is n? N is a non-negative integer. It can be 0 also. Okay, so next term I did not write plus and minus, I'll write here plus. Okay, so here I'll write plus, and here I'll write plus, and here I'll write plus, and so on. So next power, so this is first term is over, second term 1 should be less, n minus 1. Okay, because it should be in the descending order. If the first term power is 7, next term power 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like that it should go. All the power should be written in the descending order. So this is a standard form also. Okay, general form should be always in the standard form. Standard form means all the terms should be arranged as per their powers. Power should be in the descending order. So this is highest power n, next highest is n minus 1, next highest is n minus 2, next highest is n minus 3, and so on. I'll write last term x to the power of n minus n, that is 0. Okay, this is 0. Now that means till 0 will be the last. Okay, x to the power of 0 is 1. That means if the power is 0, then variable will not be there, it is only constant. Now let us write the coefficients. Let us write coefficients. Here I will write a1. First term coefficient is a1, second term coefficient will be a2, and third term coefficient will be a3 and a4, and so on. So then what happened? An will be there. In the place of x to the power of 0, I will write 1. Okay, so that means a to the power of n will be the last term. So a1, a2, a3, a4, etc. So what are a1, a2? a1, a2, a3, and so on. They are real numbers. That means that they can be rational, they can be irrational, and they are coefficients also. If you want little more specific, they are coefficients also. Okay, so all a1, a2, a3 till an, they are real numbers. They can be rational, they can be irrational, but whereas n should be always a non-negative integer. That means 0. You can write a whole number also. Non-negative integers, you can write a whole number also, right? So this is the general form of a polynomial. I will write the general form one more time. a1 x to the power of n, that is first term. a2 x to the power of n minus 1, that is second term. a3 x to the power of n minus 2, and so on. And final term will be always a to the power of n. Okay, so here what are the indications, specifications? N is equal to a non-negative integer. Okay, and second condition is a1, a2 and a3 and so on, an are real numbers. So this is how the general form comes.